Hey guys, welcome back to another video. On today's video, since we now have finished the SR20 200SX, I've used up that money and I have bought a few things for the Mozzie build. Now, I remember I showed on the first video on the ideas and the looks that I wanted to do for Mozzie. So I showed the body kit, the side skirt, the rear valence. So I have already ordered all of that and we have it all here. So we're gonna unpack everything, see what everything looks like, and then we're gonna start installing it in the car. Now, a little update as well on the engine side of things. As you can see, I've got the engine here as well. The difficulties that I'm having is I've been able to find an ECU pinout, but I have not been able to find a wiring diagram. So if anyone out there has a wiring diagram for a 1UR FSE, please share it with me. I really need it. This engine is VVTi, meaning I need some sort of speed sensor signal in order to be able to activate the VVTi. Since I don't have a gearbox, I can't mimic that signal. So I'm thinking about taking it from the tachometer or the tacho reading, cam sensor or crank sensor or something like that, but I still need a wiring diagram to be able to do that. Yeah, I'm a little bit falling behind because of this wiring diagram. But either way, we can still move forward and we can change the looks of the Mozzies. So yeah, remember to like and subscribe, leave me a comment, and let's get to it and change the look of Mozzie, yeah? Here we go. So here we have the rear valences, huh? As you can see, all fiberglass. And I chose this on purpose, why? Because fiberglass, you can repair it. Where if you use PU, once it gets hot and deformed, very hard to get back into proper shape. Whereas this, you can just keep adding resin, keep adding fiberglass, and you can get it back to its original shape. I did that with my first S13 Sylvia actually. I bought a broken body kit and I fixed it all myself. So yeah, the whole body kit is made out of fiberglass. So here are the rear valences. Let's see the other parts. Here we go. There we go. And these are the Evo 3 side skirts. Now, you guys remember I mentioned that I bought these Evo 3 ones and they always have the Evo 3 written on the side here like this does. Well, I'm gonna shave this off, flatten it out. I'm gonna have either a sticker or something like that saying ZV Auto Build, yeah? Represent my brand. Side skirts are good. And then we have check it out. Oh yeah, she looks good. Now I didn't know it's gonna come with the mesh already installed in this area. I'm not sure how I feel about it, but meh, for now, why not? Of course, it's not gonna stay black. Need to install it. It's actually a very nice piece. Very nice. Now, I think I mentioned on the other video as to why I chose this body kit in particular and everything else that goes along with it is because I think it all flows together. For example, you see this lower lip on the front bumper? With that, we will line up with the lip on the side skirt. So it's gonna flow all together, so from the front bumper to the side skirt to the rear valences, yeah? And that is the reason why I chose this body kit. Also, I like the front of it. It looks more aggressive than the Evo 3 one, you know? I mean, some people say that it looks like it's a smiley face, eh? We can make it work, yeah? And after that, it's got a big opening, so if I run intercoolers or a big radiator or whatever, it depends, you know, because I already got a V8 with 300 and almost 400 horsepower. I think it's like 386 horsepower. That's gonna be plenty enough power for the weight of the car. So I'm gonna have a big radiator to make sure that stays cool, because we'll be doing big burnouts. So with this big opening here, fit a nice big radiator and get some nice airflow going in. So anyway, now you can see the whole body kit here. It's time to start installing that. So here we go. see I've got the front bumper off, and I really love this car. Hey, there is nothing, absolutely nothing wrong with it. Hey, doesn't have any major crashes at the front. Everything still lines up perfectly. Lucky I'm replacing the front bumper as well, because this is already like very ugly condition, and even these what they call turning lights, they all just fell apart. Yeah, everything on this car is already getting old, so yeah, it's time for a new look. So yeah, it's going to be exciting now. So unfortunately, due to the time frame that I have right now, I'm only going to be able to install the front bumper, but then I will take the side skirts and everything like that with me to JPM, and I'll see if I can get them bolted up in JPM. But for now, let's just finish installing this front bumper. Tomorrow we will continue. See here, if I make it line up on the side here and on the opposite side also, the front sticks out a bit too much. There will be some modification required. Does she look, she looks happy. It looks like a big smile. So yeah, so I need to find a way to, because these things as well are touching the lights right here on both sides, so because it all needs to come up a bit, you know, or maybe I can bring the light down a bit, adjust it a bit, but let me see, maybe I can do that. But still, I got the bracket that actually holds the old original bumper in the way right there, and nothing is bent, it's just the fiberglass. Now if I had a heat gun, I'd be able to adjust the fiberglass, because these things can move a lot with a bit of heat. Since I need to get this on in order to be able to drive the car tomorrow, I need to find a way just to make it stay on there overnight, and I can continue again tomorrow. Yeah, in doing so as well, because it's so tight up in this corner here, the lens came off. No big deal, I'll just re-glue it again tomorrow. Anyway, yeah, let's keep going with this and see what we can come up with. And my next build has arrived. That's right, Toyota Crown. This has got the, I think the 1G engine, I think it is. What engine is it? The 2G, isn't it? The 2J. 2J. GE. 2G, okay. And yeah, we're gonna convert it to a 1JZ. DET. So, daily driven drift car again. Yeah, so this is how she looks now. As you can tell, this light is a bit out of alignment. Needs a lot of work here on this side. This side looks okay, I can work with that. This area here, for some reason, this layer right here cracked completely off, so it's definitely gonna fall off. I'm gonna have to repatch that, but that's easy work. Yeah, and I've only put a couple of screws on it, so sorry, only cable tied on here, cable tied there, and cable tied here in the middle, just to hold it now, because I've run out of time. I have to go home already. Yeah, and I've got the bolt already mounted up on this side, but I'm gonna have to strengthen it a lot more. So still a lot of work to do, but at least she's on there and she looks good. I like it, huh? But unfortunately, I've already run out of time. It's 11 o'clock and I need to go home because my wife is gonna be waiting for me. So I'll see you guys again tomorrow.
The next day.
So it's the next day, and as you can see, I've got the bumper on. Drove it to work this morning, had no issues. But now that I'm looking at it properly, I can see that it is not the bumper that's the issue. It is actually the headlight. If you have a look, bonnet on and everything, you see all these little panels here, they line up pretty perfectly, yeah? And then this headlight is sitting in place correctly, but this one, it sits so much further back. And on the side now, we're okay, we're nicely lined up there. And on this side as well, same thing, nicely lined up there. So for some bizarre reason, this side is, the headlight is just not sitting correctly. So I think I'm going to make some adjustments. I'll get that done and then get that out of the way, and then we'll continue on with the side skirts. Here we go. All right, so I have the full body kit already just mocked up into place. Nothing is bolted down. If you can tell at the back, I've got just some masking tape to hold it in place. As soon as I put the body kit on, you can tell straight away how small the wheels look. I need to get some bigger wheels, huh? Now, when I say that I need bigger wheels, I do plan on getting bigger wheels, but I can only make the wheels fit when I have the rear and the rear axle and the front subframe. Because technically, I'm building the car around the engine, then I'm building the rest of the car, the outside of the car, around the wheels. Where right now everything's just mocked up. But what do you think? Huh? Leave your honest opinions in the comment section. Does this look good or what? I think it does, huh? But yeah, I need bigger wheels. Yeah, she looks good, huh? Look at it from the front. So we are back at my shop and I got this double-sided tape. And what I'm going to do is the side skirts. I'm going to bolt them up now, and I'm going to put this double-sided tape all along the door seal, and that should be good for that. I mean, and for the rear valances, what I'm going to do is just put some glue underneath, get it glued up, get it mounted solidly, and then that should be it. So I'm going to get that done. It's raining right now, so I'm not going to record that. Plus, you see me do the front body kit, and I mean, that's the main part, right? The front body kit. So anyway, let's get this double-sided tape on. Let's get the bolts installed and finish the body kit. So here we go. And that's it, guys. The body kit is now fully mounted, bolted up, double-sided taped on, and she's good to go. So guys, tell me what you think. How does she look, huh? Anyway, that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, leave me a comment, share, and do all that good stuff for me, yeah? And be honest, how does it look, huh? Anyway, that's all, huh? See you guys later. Bye-bye.